इंडिया में उन्होंने एजुकेशन कैसे दी जाती है वो अशोक चौहान जी ने सिखाया। बहुत अच्छे लगे, बहुत बहुत बधाई। और मैंने पेड़ों का कहा बुरा मत मानिए।
So next in the honor roll call is Dr. Priyanka Singh from the Department of Civil Engineering, Amity University. I will request Dr. Sumit K. Bhatia, who is the Assistant Professor in the Department of Mathematics.
कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी से है मैडम? वो एमिटी, वेरी गुड, आ गया एमिटी, वेरी गुड। हाँ जेसी बहुत बहुत बधाई मैडम, बहुत।
And Dr. Maya Kumari from the Amity School of Natural Resources and Sustainable Development. आज की जो बहुत सारी बातें हुई प्रोफेसर खिंडाल का जो प्रतिपाद्य विषय रहा, I think she is the best authority on taking the mission and mandate further and forward.
Madam ji, very good, very nice Sari, very good, very nice, very good. Award के लिए no.
We would like to listen for you for a few moments, ma'am.
दो शब्द कहिए।
Good evening, everyone. I'm Dr. Maya Kumari, Assistant Professor at Amity School of Natural Resources, and I'm deeply honored to receive this award. And this award is not only an achievement for individual's achievement, but I think it is a celebration which we are making towards the progress, towards equality, gender equality, and which is reminding us about the diversity and inclusion. So with immense gratitude, I am accepting this, and I will be moving towards with renewed commitment. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. And on this,
एक मैडम से निवेदन कर दूं।
sir.
मैडम आप अपने कैंपस में एक वाटर बॉडी डेवलप करो, छोटा सा जोड़। ओके, आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी में अंदर कैंपस में स्थान है, जिधर खेती बाड़ी हो रही है उधर एक जोड़ बनाओ, वाटर बॉडी बनाओ। ओके, प्लांट द फ्रूट ट्रीज। आपके यहाँ एक भी फ्रूट ट्री नहीं है। हाँ, वहाँ पे कपूर लगाओ, रुद्राक्ष लगाओ। ओके, कपूर के पेड़ लगाओ, आपके यहाँ कपूर के पेड़ की आवश्यकता है।
I will request Professor Moni to join in the panel of dignitaries to give away the next phase of the awards. Yes, sir. Please join me.
मैडम कपूर और रुद्राक्ष लगाओ, ओके, जवानी के हाथ से लगाओ। ओके, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड।
और मैं ये वाला अवार्ड बड़ा स्पेशली अशोक कुमार सर से निवेदन करूंगा कि वो दें। आज इंटरनेशनल डे फॉर विमेन इन इंजीनियरिंग के दिवस पर we would like to acknowledge the ITS Engineering College situated in Greater Noida as a women engineer friendly higher education campus। और वहां से आए हुए प्रतिनिधियों से हम जानेंगे कि कैसे campus can be made secure for women, largely open spaces, cameras, security guards properly patrolled, all that stuff, freedom to move about in the campus alone without any fear, the assurance that concerns, if any, will be dealt with immediately, never made to feel either forgotten or small in any way, educated and civilized men around, female unity and cooperation, so and so forth. So ITS Engineering College is truly qualified for this entire bouquet of making a engineering campus as a world-class women engineer friendly higher education campus. I would request Ashok Kumar sir, because he is the custodian of security, like so.
We have Dr. Amrika Pati and Dr. Setu Garg ma'am from ITS Engineering College, Greater Noida.
I would like to hear for you for 2 minutes, if possible.
Thank you.
Very good evening, one and all present here on the dais and off the dais, and all the panel members. And Dr. Ambika Pati would like to, and Dr. Setu, we are receiving this award on behalf of ITS Engineering College.
Oh, it is.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ITS Engineering College, Greater Noida. Yes.
पेड़ लगाओ मैडम
So 100% we have a plantation drive and you will be the chief guest, sir. Very soon we will be inviting you. As we are heading for the women in the campus, 2 lines I would like to say. Whenever there is a gathering, I always want to address this. Always. Like sir also was speaking, when he was speaking about the food, he again and again mentioned that the women's can do. Sir, we are also going at 9 o'clock. We are also reaching the house at 5 o'clock. At least, sir, from now on, again and again, please don't tell us only the kitchen is our job. Please. Because same 8 hours we are also working. Same 8 hours we are also working. We go out at 5 o'clock, we come at 9 o'clock, 4 hours. The male can have the tiredness in the body, same tiredness we also have in the body, okay? But we have to cook because everybody will be hungry. How stressful it is. Please, it is not about a joke, or I am not a feminist. It is a real, actual problem we are facing. If I order a food and it is a joke and it is a meme that she don't cook, but for the coming generation, for all the sons who are having, please teach the sons to
बिल्कुल सही बात
please clean the rooms. पोछा करना है उनको, बर्तन वॉश करना आना चाहिए और उनको कुकिंग आना चाहिए. Please.
रोटी मिलवाओ बेटे
Yes, because in the beginning the male used to go for the hunting and ladies used to take care of the kids. So it was her duty to feed the kids. But now we all are going for the job. For the female who are working, they are not meant for only for cooking. We are not responsible only for cooking. So मैं हाथ जोड़ती हूँ अगर मैंने कुछ गलत कहा हो, लेकिन future generation के लिए ये please आप लोग सिखाइए. तो we can work so much, we can achieve so much in the future in this case. Because many times, many women's their pillows are really through by their eyes. By their drops coming from the eyes, how they can't say, they can't share. Don't think that I have undergone those problems. My husband is very supporting, and for 4 days he only cooks in the house. That's why.
Have you come, madam? Has he come with you?
No, sir. No. This is, in general, because I do have 2 girl babies. You know, you maybe after going home, you may think anything, but I don't bother. I want to bring a society where any woman, if she face any problem in the family life, she should not think about any society. She must go for a second marriage or third marriage or do the divorce and stay alone.
My God.
Stay alone. Because there is no violence to be taken care. Violence should not be tolerated. My point is that whenever any negative happens, do you just tell me any case, whatever happened in rapist, do you remember any name of the boy who committed the sin? We all know only the female name. Am I right?
No, female name is not allowed to be revealed by the
We know, we
law does
can
not
give
allow.
the separate name for that, but we know the victim.
But यही
The
बात
name of the victim we know.
But मैडम यही बात आप क्रोध से मत करो, मुस्कुरा के करो.
Sir, the way I speak, automatically it comes because it is the social injustice which is happening. Really, being a mother of 2 daughters, I want the society to be like that. Because if any women marriage for second marriage, third marriage, people comment easily. But we never don't know even a single male is a second marriage or third marriage. Only they are concerned about the female, our character. And if anything happens, family respect is not on the body of the women. If it is there in the women body, it must be in the male body also. That is it.
Thank you and thanks a lot.
That's all.
और आगे जाओ मैडम, छोड़ो मत. Very good.
Yes.
और बहुत बधाई, बहुत सुंदर।
बहुत सही बोला आपने एंड आई फुली एग्री विद यू, लेकिन ये भी हम आज न भूले कि इतने नालायक भद्दे कानून ले आई है सरकार, वो सब फॉरेन फंडेड एनजीओ द्वारा बनाए, और रेप के फॉल्स केसेस से लाखों परिवार तबाह हुए, सिर्फ पुरुष नहीं, पूरी फैमिली तबाह हुई है। कोई जमाना था हमारे पास लीगल एड के लिए मानुषी में केवल स्त्रियां आती थी, अभी अधिकतर ऐसे आते हैं जो फेक केसेस के शिकार हैं, और जिस तेजी से स्त्रियों ने एक भद्दा कानून जो है एंटी रेप लॉ, डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस लॉ, इतना उसका गैर इस्तेमाल किया है। किसी जमाने में स्त्रियों की बहुत सम्मान से बात सुनी जाती थी, अभी लोग शादी करने से डरते हैं, आज नौकरी करने से देने से लड़कियों को डरते हैं। मेरे भाई ने भी अगर मान लो कोई लॉयर है या कुछ, मैं उसको कहूंगी फीमेल लॉयर मत रखना, पता नहीं कब तुम पे ठीक है। So many families have been ruined, and if we women do not act responsibly, what you said is true. I agree with what you said, that the burden of housework should not fall on a woman, especially if she is full.
मैडम
I agree.
तो जो कह
I
रहे
agree, I agree. I said
People have
I
to go
agree.
back, no?
I said I agree.
It's not a debate here.
I said I agree.
Thank you.
Madam,
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
For the
So-
genuine cases.
So I would now like to welcome Madam Shivani Kaushik and also Madam Harshita Kumar to receive their felicitations from the August panel. We will just rush up it in this last lap. Professor Moni can do the honors on. We would like to remember Dr. Jagdish Gandhi, who is being posthumously recognized from this August Forum for his lifelong contributions to the City Montessori School Group, plausibly the world's largest school, creating a new mindset of Jai Jagat through a balanced education, material, human and spiritual, training the young minds to not only think within the confines of jobs and material gains, but also in terms of leadership and contribution to society, therefore becoming conscious citizens of their country and the world, amply fulfilling the mandate of education as a public service. So we all remember Dr. Jagdish Gandhi on this occasion. We also like to felicitate Dr. Joseph Emmanuel, the Honorable CEO and Secretary of CISE now, while being at the helm of affairs as Director Academics at CBSE. He exemplified the education as a public service by his innumerable initiatives and advocacies, as in bridging the gap between school and higher education institutions, Indian languages as a teaching medium, introducing competency-based questions in board examinations, and most importantly, overseeing the unfolding of NEP 2020, amply fulfilling the mandate of education as a public service. We have a very special group out here, an EdTech platform in Learn with simulations. Heart, hand, heart and hands, उनका जो सामंजस्य है, they have tried to achieve it by way of simulating. नहीं तो सारी शिक्षा जो पूरी कागजी हो गई है, they have brought about an entire set of simulation games to get the management education in real life scenarios, to really prepare the young learners into the intricate aspects of real life conditions. I would like to invite Mr. Maninder Singh to receive this felicitation, learn with simulations. This is the kind of practical learning we need going forward. Dr. Sangeeta Bhatia, Pradhanacharya, KIIT Board School, Pithampura. Shri Mohit Thukral, Director, Indraprastha Global School, Noida. Yeah. So this is from the school domain. Their key contributions to the space of education as a public service. Navsrijan was under PD and outlier. Madam Minni Adhikari, Pradhanacharya, PNC Cognitio School, Bangalore. The director of the school, Nagesh sir, has come to receive this felicitation on her behalf. And the school is differentiating itself in becoming a sports school again. And also they offer very nutritious meals to the youngsters in the afternoon space. I would request Ashok Kumar sir to hand over this felicitation. Madam Meenu Goswami from Bal Bharti Public School, Pitampura, Delhi. Jyotsna, yeah, please. And lastly, Shri Ajay Kapoor, the Managing Director at Model Public School, Shalimar Bagh, Delhi, who has a very differentiated management paradigm of his own, advancing education as a public service. Indrajit ma'am has come to receive this token felicitation from. So I think as promised we are done within 7. So. Yeah.
जी अब आप आ जाओ इधर
सर
मिलने में आ जाओ इधर आ जाओ आपके साथ एक फोटो हो जाए महाराज आ जाओ सर अभी एक बार आ जाओ पूरा जी इधर आ जाओ और कितना बढ़िया बिजी हो आप एक्चुअली आपकी स्पीच ही है बाकियों की बोलने की आवश्यकता नहीं सिर्फ इतने लर्नेड हो आप
So, डॉक्टर मुखर्जी को अपना श्रद्धा सुमन अर्पित करते हुए आज की इस समारोह का को हम विश्राम देते हैं। भारतीय परंपरा में कोई भी ज्ञान की जो धारा है वो समाप्त नहीं होती, वो केवल विश्राम लेती है। तो आप सभी का भूरी भूरी अभिनंदन। आप लोग जो कार्य
मैडम 2 शब्द कहेंगी।
So one more, आज का जो यूएन पब्लिक सर्विस डे है जो मसूरी में लाल बहादुर शास्त्री एकेडमी ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन है उससे सटा हुआ, जहाँ पे देश के सबसे बड़े पब्लिक सर्वेंट्स को ट्रेन किया जाता है, उसी से लगा हुआ है मसूरी इंटरनेशनल स्कूल। उसकी प्रधानाचार्य मैडम नीता शर्मा, उनको भी हम आज सम्मानित कर रहे हैं। सो ये Dr. Sudhi, vote of thanks and we will conclude today's ceremony.
मैडम बोलेंगे ये मैडम ये
Good evening everybody, and I want to thank all of you for gracing the occasion so patiently. It has been quite a long time, though we had some tea, but I don't think it was enough to hold you till so long. I want to thank God first of all for making me mother of these wonderful daughters, and I call it not son-in-law but the elder son.
Oh, great.
Because they are so efficient and they have been brought up so well. Mr. Raghu by his mother.
सबके चाहते हैं।
I don't know, मेरे तो बहुत बड़े चेहरे हैं। And he's been brought up.
Give a big hand to Raghu.
But today I am feeling the lack of one thing. I feel we could have made some felicitation for them as well.
Absolutely.
And in the next program, I will see to it that it is done.
Oh, great.
However, the one thing we as parents should learn, that don't take them for granted if they have
My
achieved
God,
something.
मैडम कितने great हो आप really.
No, I also want to introduce myself briefly, that I have been associated with the education sector. I was born and brought up in Delhi, and somebody was taking the name of SRCC. I think sir, after
Yeah, बेटी ने
SRCC,
हाँ, बेटी.
I was a student of SRCC in 71 to 74.
My God, my
In the commerce school. So I was in that time, there were 400 boys and only 10 girls, and we were one of those 10. So we used to walk, like this, and we belonged to that different paradigm altogether. So I want to say one thing, that now her daughters are there, Surmi's daughters are very lovely daughters, and she told me yesterday, नानी एक कहानी सुनाओ. मैंने कहा बेटा तुम दूर चले गए, मैंने तो कहानी की किताबें पढ़नी छोड़ दी. तो नेशनल बुक ट्रस्ट से मुझे भी कहानी की बात कर रहे थे, तो मुझे लगा कि अब मुझे वो खरीदनी पड़ेगी दोबारा से. And when he talked about जीजाबाई and those things, I said बेटा मैं तुम्हें कहानी सुनाऊंगी तो वो सुनाऊंगी, जिसमें मदर ये बताती है कि बच्चों को क्या करना चाहिए. And लीडर बनो, मेहनती बनो. तुम्हारे मम्मी पापा क्या कर रहे हैं तुम्हें पता है? तुम्हें उससे भी बड़ा बनना. तो दे लाइक इट. जैसे नहीं आप ही रहो. मैंने कहा I'm in your heart. Don't worry.
I take this opportunity.
So I want to thank once again all of you.
My God, मैडम कितने.
I think this is a very divine moment for us all. When our parents and gurus are all being, we are able to pay tributes to our gurus and elders, जिन्होंने हमें प्रेरित किया इस जीवन की मशाल को, उस लौ को और प्रचंड करने में. मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगी मैडम प्रोफेसर मधु पूर्णिमा खिशवार मैम का, जिन्होंने जो ज्योति जगाई है, वो ज्योतिर्लिंग की ज्योति के समान विद्यमान है, और हर महिला में, हर नारी में वो मशाल जागृत रहे और प्रचंड हो, ये मेरी प्रार्थना है. मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगी सभी मनीषियों का, सभी गुरुजनों का, जिन्होंने इस मंच पर आकर हम सभी को इतना ब्लेस किया. एंड वी आर रियली ग्रेटफुल एंड फॉर्चुनेट टू हैव विटनेस्ड this solemn occasion on the Punyatithi of Dr. Syama Prasad Mukherjee and your Public Service Day. I thank all the dignitaries and our luminaries who graced this occasion. Once again, from all of us at Rethink India, thank you so much. Thank you. Pranam. Jai Hind.
राष्ट्रीय गान करें. सब लोग राष्ट्रीय गान करके.
राष्ट्रीय गान के लिए हम सब सज्ज हों.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग. विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा. तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे. गाए सब जय गाथा. जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे. भारत माता की जय. भारत माता की जय. जान निकल रही है जोर से. भारत माता की जय. वंदे मातरम. वंदे मातरम. वंदे मातरम. इधर मैडम ये